Hey there. If you live in West Palm Beach or the surrounding area and your AC is not working, give All Time Air Conditioning a call, and we can guarantee that we'll have a qualified HVAC technician that'll be on site in 90 minutes or less. We're a licensed, family-owned emergency air conditioning repair and installation company that has been servicing Palm Beach County and the greater Tri-County area for over 10 years. All Time Air means that we will make sure that you have a functioning AC all the time, anytime. And we can assure this by making sure that we are available 24 hours a day and 7 days a week. We live in South Florida, just like you, so we know it's crucial to have a fully functioning AC system and a company that you can count on like family. Become a part of the All Time Air Conditioning family today by giving us a call at 561-777-9888. That's 561-777-9888.